Hi guys, welcome to Computer Tech Videos. Today I am going to show you guys how to configure a domain controller, primary domain controller. So I have this Windows 2012 server already installed. So what I'm going to do, I'll change the name of this to primary DC, PDC. Another thing I'll do, I'll just put it on an internal network and press OK. Now we will be going to boot this PC. Okay, now we will log in. Okay. So first thing we will do is we'll go ahead and configure the IP settings. Before I will be using a Class C IP address, which is 192.168.1. Let's say you'll use 11.1. Okay, here we will go and we'll use. Sorry, this is completely wrong. I'll use 127.0.0. We'll go ahead and press OK. And before we will go ahead and install Active Directory Domain Services, we will go ahead and change the name of this computer. We will name it PDC, which stands for Primary DC Domain Controller. Press OK. And after this, it will ask us to restart it, and we will restart this computer. Now we will log in again. Okay. Now what we will do, we will open Server Manager, and we will go to Manage. We'll go Add Roles and Features, and we will go Next, and we will choose role-based or feature-based installations. Next. So this is our server, and now we will choose Active Directory, so domain services, and we can also install DNS at the same time. Okay, and we'll go next. Go next. We'll confirm here and go next. Here we will go next on this page, and we will go click on restart and next. Install. So this installation will take around 5 minutes depending on your computer speed, and I will skip this to the part when it's all done. Okay, now we need to press close here. Now next thing we are going to do, we will promote this server as a domain controller. We need to go click here where the yellow sign is, and then go right, promote this, click on promote this. Now what we are going to do, we will add a new forest, and the domain name I'm going to choose is ankit.kiwi and we'll go press next. Okay, now we will so yeah, we will go and choose this, and we will set up a password for this. Okay, next. We will go next, and we will let it let this will fill in itself. Yeah, and then you go ahead and press next. And next. This will run a prerequisite test for promoting this domain controller, and this will take around 2 minutes, and then you'll go ahead and press install. Okay, this is all prerequisite check passed successfully. Click install to begin the installation. So we'll go ahead and click on install, and this will take another 2 to 3 minutes depending on the speed of your computer. Okay, this will go and restart itself now, and once it will be up and running, then we would have successfully created our first domain controller. Okay, now we will go ahead and we'll log in as administrator on a domain called ankit.tv. So we'll go. Okay. Okay, if we will go to our local server now, we should see the domain name will come up here now. Okay, so please leave a like, subscribe, and I will come up with other videos which might help you guys. Thanks.